Ever wished your dash camera could catch every detail, whether it's blazing sunlight or pitch black night? The STARVIS high-sensitivity image sensor makes that wish a reality. It captures sharp, high-resolution images anytime, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks when you need it most. What sets this dash cam apart is its 140 degrees wide-angle lens, giving you the broadest field of view inside your vehicle. That means no blind spots, just clear, comprehensive coverage of the road ahead. Plus, with up to 1080p Full HD recording at 60 frames per second, you get smooth, detailed video that lets you zoom in on critical details like license plates without losing clarity. I've been using this camera across all my vehicles, and the difference is clear. The built-in battery keeps recording uninterrupted, even if the power cuts out. And thanks to format-free technology, you won't have to deal with frequent formatting or memory errors. The G sensor steps in during emergencies, locking important files so they don't get overwritten when an impact is detected. That kind of reliability makes all the difference when you're relying on your dash cam as a silent witness. Installation is a breeze. Its compact, discreet design lets you mount it easily on your front or rear windshield without drawing attention. And when it comes to reviewing your footage, the built-in Wi-Fi and exclusive Drive Pro app put control right in your hands. You can stream real-time video, playback clips, and download files without ever removing the memory card. Need a quick snapshot? The Drive Pro toolbox lets you capture a single frame effortlessly. If you want a dash camera that combines cutting-edge tech with practical features, this one's worth a look. It's been highly recommended by users across the U.S. for delivering crystal-clear footage and a seamless user experience. If that's you, ready to upgrade your vehicle's security and peace of mind, try the STARVIS dash camera when you're ready.